got something. All right, let's check it out. I already know what's in here. This actually came from Cynthia from Purgatory Paranormal out of New York. I'll have a link in the description box to take you to her channel. Go check it out, subscribe. Yeah, this is going to be, this should be pretty cool. We'll check it out. I'm going to go ahead and grab the compensator here and open this up. Try not to show the address. So.
A few moments later.
Yeah, I'm trying my best here not to show the address. I gotta keep up with the tradition of doing terrible unboxings.
2 hours later.
Oh, it's taped over here too. Yeah. Again, keeping with the traditions of doing terrible unboxings.
1 eternity later.
Okay. Can I do this without making a mess? No. The hell with it. It's old school too. There it is. It's a spirit box, but I'm not going to call it a spirit box. I'm going to call this the Purg box. That's what I'm going to do. So let's see here. There's some batteries. Okay, so it just takes 3 batteries. All right. Move this out of the way.
A few moments later.
That one station comes through all of those. Wow. That's AM. Okay, so I know with AM, the one station here, at least in Bristol, Tennessee, comes in through a lot of channels. All right, let's go to FM. So this is scanning through stations at like a half a second. Cool. I actually like this better than I do the SB7, to be honest. I don't have to hook an external speaker up, so that's nice. So I went ahead and got the Black Mirror Ouija board. We'll see if anything comes through here. We'll just do this for a couple minutes, and then I'll do some live streams, and we'll see what happens. Anything attached to the Black Mirror Ouija board? What I'll also do is, I'm not gonna, if I think I hear something, I'm not even gonna say it. If you guys hear anything, comments below. So, there we go. Alright. Anything attached to the Black Mirror Ouija board? If there is, a simple yes or no will do. Can you tell me your name? So allegedly there's something trapped in the board. Is it just one spirit that's trapped in the board, or are there many? So I'm going to shut this off in just a minute. Is there anything you want to say? Alright, I'm going to shut it down. Alright. I definitely like this a lot better than the SP7. It seems like it's a lot cleaner. It's not super noisy or anything like that. So yeah, cool. So I'm going to be taking this with me on investigations. And we'll see what happens. Thankfully, I don't have to hook a freaking radio up to it. Or, I mean, not a radio, a speaker. So, yeah, I mean, so this is cool. And, you know, again, thanks, Cynthia. It's freaking awesome. I do like it. Like I said, it sounds a lot cleaner. It sounds a lot clearer. So, awesome, awesome, awesome. I can't wait to use it.